Sudah semangat Absen 16 Semester Ranjang. Today I want to give a tutorial for how to make a chicken stick. Let's play. First, add black pepper, salt, and seasoning. Second, stir the chicken until the spices are evenly distributed. Then, while waiting for the spice to be perfectly absorbed, make the sauce by mixing oyster sauce, chili sauce, and barbecue sauce. Add a little pepper powder. Add the potatoes into cups and pour on the sauce. Crush the potatoes and stir them to make them softer. You can use a blender if you want. Then cook them with oil and a teflon pan and liquid milk pepper and black pepper. Then add the oil to roast the chicken. Put the chicken in the pan. Use a low heat. Put the sauce that has been melted on top. Turn it over. Then serve with the previously made mashed potato and add little sweetener, milk, egg, and celery. Your food ready to eat. Thanks. Baby, you,